Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The first name is Arkan. The meaning of Arkan is the solid pillar of life. Next name is Rizqullah. The meaning of Rizqullah is God's abundant bounty. The name is Fathan. Meaning of Fathan is opener of the path to success. Next name is Malik. The meaning of Malik is a just leader. The next one is Ilman. The meaning of Ilman is a smart and knowledgeable child. The next name is Zayan. It's a beautiful name. The meaning of Zayan is beautiful, radiant, like light. Next one is Faris. The meaning of Faris is a brave warrior. Next name is Zidane. The meaning of Zidane is increased and well developed. Next one is Ghazi. The meaning of Ghazi is a persistent warrior. Next name is Zafar. Meaning of Zafar is a glorious winner. The name is Hayan. Meaning of Hayan is lively and vigorous. Next name is Rais. The meaning of Rais is a respected leader. The next name is Umar. The meaning of Umar is long-lived and long life. The next one is Rashid. The meaning of Rashid is the one who gets guidance. Next name is Akmal. The meaning of Akmal is perfect and complete. Next name is Ihsan. Meaning of Ihsan is kindness and generosity. The name is Azam. The meaning of Azam is great fighting power. Next name is Rizal. The meaning of Rizal is luminous and shining. The name is Fayyad. It's a unique name. Meaning of Fayyad is the generous one. Next one is Zuhair. The meaning of Zuhair is a fresh flower. Next name is Saffron. It's a beautiful name. Meaning of Saffron is a sharp sword. The next name is Mubarak. The meaning of Mubarak is blessed by Allah. Next name is Idris. The meaning of Idris is studying diligently. The next name is Hanif. The meaning of Hanif is straight and upright in heart. Next name is Hamza. The meaning of Hamza is the name of a prominent line. The next one is Iman. The meaning of Iman is strong belief. The next name is Khaldun. The meaning of Khaldun is eternal and everlasting. Next one is Munir. The meaning of Munir is a brilliant illuminator. Next name is Rafi. The meaning of Rafi is high and noble. The next name is Samir. The meaning of Samir is a good listener. The next one is Tofan. The meaning of Tofan is a strong storm. Next name is Zamil. The meaning of Zamil is a good friend. Next one is Luqman. The meaning of Luqman is wise and knowledgeable. Next name is Iqbal. The meaning of Iqbal is good fortune. The name is Jamil. The meaning of Jamil is handsome and beautiful. The next name is Lutfi. The meaning of Lutfi is gentle and devoted. The next name is Nofal. The meaning of Nofal is a noble descendant. Next name is Qaid. The meaning of Qaid is leader and commander. Next one is Sayamil. The meaning of Sayamil is friendly and unpretentious. Thanks for watching this video. अपने नाम की वीडियो बनवाने या अपनी न्यूमरोलॉजी रिपोर्ट के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपना मुकम्मल नाम और डेट ऑफ बर्थ कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें। थैंक यू।